everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sahi. In this video, I came up with DIY lip balm. Just 3 ingredients all you need to make this lip balm. And this is not just any lip balm just for your chapped or dry lips. This is a lip balm which makes your lips pink to reddish shade. Yes, that too in just 10 days. It is free from chemicals and preservatives. All you require is just 3 ingredients which are easily available. So let's get started. Let's see what do we need. Beetroot, you have to take the juice. I will let you know how to make, and a container to store. And you require a Vaseline or shea butter. I am taking shea butter in this video, and a spatula. I have taken wooden spatula, essential oil which is optional completely, and vitamin E capsules too, and a mixing jar. So these are what we require. Take a beetroot, sanitize, wash it, peel it and cut into pieces. You can grate it manually or you can put in mixture, and you have to take the juice, and the juice must be double filtered. Just mind that. You can use either method 1 by grating or method 2 by putting in mixture. Let's begin the process. I'm taking here pure shea butter, which is Wild East African shea butter, 100% natural and pure. So I'm taking it about 10 to 15 grams. I'm taking almost, that is what the amount left over with me. So I'm taking about 10 to 15 grams. So it is pure. You can see it is not able to fall. So what we have to do is we have to melt this. I'm melting in the oven as I have. So if you don't have oven, you can do it in the process of double steaming process. You can take either Vaseline or shea butter. I'm taking shea butter because shea butter is widely used in cosmetics as a moisturizer or lotion. It softens and tones and soothes skin. It has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. To this, I'm adding vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. It repairs damaged cells, makes lips softer, heals chapped, dry lips. And guys, I'm taking here lavender essential oil. This is optional because I want it because of its properties and the fragrance. It's known as a calming scent, good on lips, treats, peeling, cracking, and even bleeding lips. Now it's time for our main ingredient, beetroot. I'm adding total 4 spoons of beetroot juice, which we have taken and made it earlier. So make sure you're adding it step by step, not at a time, like first 2 spoons, next 2 spoons, and do add beetroot juice at the end only because it solidifies. Beetroot works as a natural lip dye, and it is packed with essential nutrients. It gives pink to reddish shade for your lips, makes lips soft, contains fiber, iron, vitamin B9 and vitamin C. Mix it thoroughly because it is a key for lip balm. If you can't mix it properly, do melt it one more time with all the ingredients so that it will be thoroughly mixed. Now transfer this mixture into the container, storage container which you already took. Give a thorough mix and make sure the consistency is like this. So once you transfer the product, make sure it's settled, and let me give you a hint test here. Look at this hue. It has given a very nice hue. Like if you don't want to use lipstick but you want to have that hue, it would be better for your lips. It's nourishing at the same time and it make your lips pink too. So I'm going to refrigerate it for at least 20 minutes in the refrigerator. And after 20 minutes, I have taken this off, and let me show you how it got settled. Look at this. And you know what, I have made in the same process another lip balm with the carrot as a main ingredient instead of beetroot, and a hint of lipstick because I want a little bit hue. So these are the 2 lip balms. Now let me give you the swatch test. First the beetroot one. Look at this. Oh my god, it's melting like a butter. It's so good. And now the carrot with the lipstick hue. So look at this one. Yeah, look at this. This is the reason I added lipstick, because I want little bit hue. Right guys, this is my DIY lip balm. I hope you like this. You can try it at your home, and do let me know what's your result in the comment box down below. I'll come up with another video in the next episode, and do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you in the next video. Till then, lots of love. Stay home, stay safe.